Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Okay, guys, I wasn't sure if I would get you the video going home or not. We're going home, but not all the way home. So I'm going to get you some, right? So do you guys remember back in some of the early videos that we used to ride way down there? Way down. Yep. So today is July 7th. 2024. For those of you who are keeping track of the road construction project going on here, we're coming from like Achimota, coming from that way, going towards Nsawam, towards Amasaman. So yep, that's what we got going on, guys. I'm giving you the update. A lot of work has gone on. I mean, it's looking good. See how what they're doing here. I don't know if they ever built a wall there. I don't know how that's gonna be. But yeah, we'll watch. Keep our eyes open and keep the videos coming, the Lord willing, so you guys can check it out with us. Yep.
See how they go. You can't even get it.
Right.
Place to even go.
Right.
Look how you go.
Yeah.
Load all the way to this side.
Yeah. Way up like a mushroom.
Yeah, you just load the stuff.
Yeah, I think that's what.
The stuff way big.
That's what they were. See, we used to ride down there, guys, and now we're up here. Oh, we got a raise. I think that's what they were talking about on that channel you were watching with the police. You know, they were informing people of, you know, the laws, like how it is, how it's supposed to be. You're not supposed to overload vehicles. They do have laws here, and it seems like they're going to start cracking down on it. Wow. And then the motos are speeding through there too. Well, eventually they won't be able to cross right there. They'll have to use the overhead. They won't be able to climb up. So this is what we got, guys. This is what we got. At least the road is a bit less bumpy, I guess, than some of it. So we have the gutters on the sides they've done. And you see somebody enjoying right there in the chair. Wow. I think US, they used to do that too when I was little. So I'm pretty sure they will stop people from riding on the back eventually. So right now they're using that as an access road. This is what it's looking like. And I'll give you guys the landmark of the big giant house here in a second. We get there. Oh, the way they have to go just to go up and over there instead of riding here. It's not really good. Yep. So there is the big giant house. I don't really really know what it is, guys, but okay, so that's what we got. They're doing a lot of work. They're working on the pavers. You see how they're doing the pavers, guys? They're standing them up and cementing them in. Okay, there's some over there. You see how that little wall is? So they'll be cementing those together. Yep. Not really sure what that's going to be when they finish it. If they're doing another gutter or what. They're actually doing the cement part there. Yep. You can see on the side. This is the Pokuase interchange. They will be coming up to some more construction. Road work here in a minute. Sure, are we going Pokuase? I think we're gonna go, yep, going this way, which will help. You guys want to ride through Pokuase with us? You've been this way before, but you can come again. We'll ride a bit and yeah. See what's going on here in Pokuase. Need some fruit, some bananas, watermelon. We got plenty of fruit over there for you. The fruit here is so delicious, guys. Wow. Even at church today, they made some juice out of pineapple and ginger and watermelon and ginger. And my husband didn't know. They didn't put any sugar in it. He said there's no sugar. I said no. It's just the sweetness of the fruit. Very, very nice. It was very good. What is he doing? What is he doing? Okay. That guy was just pulling out. Sometimes you're not sure if they see or they don't. A lot going on right now. It is 1:45 p.m. here in Ghana as we're videoing this for you. Yep. So this is what we got going on in Pokuase. I'm not sure which part of Pokuase this is. It's north or whatever. So far I'm just seeing Pokuase. I know they have North Pokuase, so I'm sure they have South and whatever else. pineapples and watermelon. That's the theme for today, I guess, guys. We had pineapple and watermelon juice, and they had a whole bunch over there. So you see, this part is not very good. I need to work on this. There is Pokuase Police Station. We just passed. Go. That makes it a lot shorter. And you guys saw when we turned, the traffic was a lot right where we were. The chotros are there and everything. So when we turned, we cut out a lot of the bumpy road, and we also cut out, you know, that bottleneck that was there. That stuff will go away once the road is completed. Everybody will have their place that they're gonna go. Yep. Some furniture building going on. Soccer field back there. So we have some bumps, but for the most part, we cut a lot of that out by going this way. I know we still have some dirt roads and some bumps, but at least we cut it out. Look at the sheepers, guys. You see them? Nana and I always looking at the animals that are out there. And when I see stuff like this, I said, oh wow, they would love it. It's a beautiful view, right? Yep. If you guys have followed us on these journeys back home, you'll notice where we are, right? Yep, we're getting there. Look at the goat, guys. Wow. Too cute. Enjoying a very good meal. take a look up here and see how things are going. And then I'll probably have to leave you guys a bit earlier than I leave you normally. But at least you got to ride with us through Pokuase. You got to see a lot of the work there at the beginning of the video. They've done a lot. They've done a lot of work there. Yep. So it's coming along really nice. That looks like a market. I guess that might be the Pokuase market or something. Wow, I never saw that before. I think it is. I think it's some type of market. Here we are, back at the main road. There we are, guys, back on the main road, so you can see how things are coming along. If you didn't see the previous video, check it out on the channel, the road construction update video. And here it is, guys. So this one, I'm not sure, will be probably an underpass. Yeah, I think so. So that's where the road will be, way up there. And then, I guess, and the access road will be on the ground more. Yep, they got a lot going on there with that. So it looks like they're pouring cement for that pillar over there. When we get over there, can you guys see the iron rods they put at the very top? Yeah, so there's a lot of iron in there, a lot of iron rods, heavy duty ones. So yeah, that's the type of pillar. You see, they're pouring the cement. Yep. So they were pouring the cement there for that pillar. They have a lot of filling going on over there. Well, okay, they did that little culvert. You see where they've switched or run the new lines for the electricity. So the single pole type are the old lines, and the tower type thing with the 4 legs are the new type. Yep. You see they got the forms there. They took the forms off. So you see how the wall looks? So the forms were on there, and then they, they had the iron rods and everything. Poured it and then took the forms off, and then there was the wall. So this place is still a little bit bumpy. Hopefully they'll get it. There was one place when we were going out past Nsawam where my husband, or we didn't quite get there. My husband was saying they really graded that part because it was getting super bad. So they graded it a bit to make it easier to pass on. Still not passing over there. Might take a little while. They have to get that place back in order. They have a lot of construction material over there now. That's what it's looking like. The overhead walkway. So I don't think we used to ride over here. This is quite smooth compared to how everything was and is still. So we were seeing this when we were coming and wondering if we were going to ride on this. So it's a lot better, guys. We're going almost 40. Almost 40, guys. Wow. Hasn't happened in this area before. I don't know about ever, but since we've been here, it hasn't happened. Could use the water trucks. Be really nice. So you see how the wall looks? There's the Home Depot knockoff. So you guys kind of see where we are going, or where we are. There's the gutter. Yup. Are we really supposed to be going on this road? It almost looks like we're not supposed to be going here.
On Sundays they do those kind of stuff.
Yeah, because there aren't a lot of workers. Yep, so that's what we got. And we gotta, okay, we're back over. So at least we enjoyed it for a minute, right guys? Yep, and there is the red, black, and gold house again, right there. Ooh. See how it is, guys. You get too many bumps going on, then it's hard for me to zoom you guys. And this is a place that they're doing, the underpass. So you see the road will come way up here. So this is how it will go up, and we'll be riding up there eventually. I think I have to let you guys go for now, because we're about to turn and go a different way. We have some errands to run, so we are going. But I think you guys, hope you enjoyed it. You got something out of it at least. Better than me making you guys wait till next week, or whenever the next time might be. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you go at that. Till next time, God bless.